Hi everyone, my name is Kiran. Today I'm going to show you real-time scenario. Generally, day-to-day wise, we'll get this type of alert. So how we can create a KUL query and get the alert automatically in our environment. So that KUL query, I'm going to explain it. I'm not going to show you how to automatically integrate the ticketing tool. That one, it's not in this series, but somewhere, sometime after some time, I will try to discuss about that part also. But right now, is a majorly focusing on KUL query. So, what is the example or real-time scenario is here? Generally, day-to-day wise, we can see as an operation or administrator will see the alerts is a CPU alert. CPU utilization alert. Generally, we'll get it, guys. This CPU alert generally will get it. CPU utilization is a 90% or 80%. Like that, will get the alert. What exactly behind that? So generally, application team or stakeholders or administrator or anyone will requested in case of that VM continuously CPU utilization 90%, I require the alert. It's a kind of P3 ticket or P4 ticket or P2 ticket like that they will request it. So how we can get it? How that we can get the ticket? So in Azure platform, especially KUL queries, how to write for that? That is a requirement. Before going to jump into the that query, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like. And if you like it, it will spread to the more people. They can watch it and comment below as well as share with your friends. Thank you for support. And let's jump into the KUL query. So, so CPU utilization. Last also we discussed CPU related is where is available in which table in log analytics workspace. Performance perf is a table name. So we should provide the perf. Okay, good. And next, what are the components? Last in the video also I shown you what are the components we required. Same here also I'm going to take it. Where that operator and contains. Before contains, what is a parameter name? Is I required the object name. That object name contains processor, processor, and as well as I required the uh, like counter name. Counter name contains what I required and percentage processor time and as well as instance name contains underscore total. Why is underscore total? This entire line already in the previous video already I discussed. You can watch that video. You will get the idea. And coming to next, this is a one okay. But as per our requirement, continuously 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 5 minutes that CPU utilization I required. So continuously means that is a specifying the time. So where time generated greater than ago, and in this I want is a continuously 10 minutes. This CPU utilization so and so like this continuously 10 minutes of data I required. That is a data aggregation because of summarize continuously the 10 minutes of data needs to be data aggregation and average value we required. So that's the reason summarize and average CPU utilization. That is a average CPU equal to average and that average value on which counter value counter value counter value, this is the one. Okay, that counter value required, that average wise last 10 minutes of that CPU utilization of counter value, it's average, it needs to be taken and provided to us. So okay, summarize it's showing, but we required that one threshold wise. How much threshold? So how to define it? Pipe again, where average CPU greater than equal to, suppose that is a 80%, but right now in my tables, this demo in tables, I don't have such utilization of the data. So that's the reason I'm providing here 10% of CPU. This is a threshold. Okay, that's the reason I given the, this is a one, guys. Otherwise we should provide it instead of that one 80 or 90 in the real time, but right now I don't have such. That's the reason I provided here. And what I required, so that is a project average CPU. I required average CPU. Okay, good. Average CPU will get it. So if you click on run, and I'm getting last 10 minutes wise, that CPU utilization average 20%. That is a average 20%. But which computer? If you have multiple computers, how can I get it? Okay, so let's summarize average CPU equal to average counter value by computer. We can give the computer, and that I want to see it. Project means it's a projecting that information. What exactly? Average CPU only, it's a projecting. I want is a computer name also, comma, computer. We should provide the computer. Click on run, and you can see here I have one computer, that is average CPU continuously lost 10 minutes and 20.2 percentage. That is a 20.2 percentage wise we are getting. So this is a way we can get it. Okay, so here one more, some people will write it like this. Instead of 10, they will give the threshold variable wise. Okay, threshold here given, but that variable we are not mentioned anywhere. Yes, that will mention like this variable. Let threshold equal to 10 and semicolon. We should provide it like this. Let is an operator and it's a variable wise. We are providing threshold equal to 10. So what exactly? Average CPU, instead of direct value we provided, instead of that one, we are providing the variable like this. This is a way also we can provide it, guys. So if you see same thing, if I'm going to run again, I will get the same value. There is no difference, but here we are trying to giving the variable wise, and that value, that threshold, how much percentage. If you want, you can give the 90%, 80%, depends on your requirement. Whenever match that exactly threshold only, this one will get it. Suppose I don't have such utilization of the data, so if I'm going to provide the 80, and if I'm going to run, I won't get any result. No results found from the specific time range, because of right now it's not utilizing 80% of CPU. That's the reason I'm not getting, this is a one, guys. If it is really that utilization, definitely will get the information. That information will get it, guys. This is a way, one of the real time scenario or real time. This is a one really we'll get the day to day wise. You can check with your system admin or who are working on administration side. You can check, and definitely they will say daily will get the some alerts, any one of the computer like this. If you like this video, please like, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and comment below. Thank you, guys.